Hello everyone, I'm Tim Diggs and I am the track leader for the Creating a Superior Improvement Program track at this upcoming TapRooT Global Summit. Now, we pride ourselves on our information sharing and learning sessions at the TapRooT Summit. This year is no different. We have more than ever industry leaders and professionals who are going to be delivering these breakout sessions in the performance improvement program, starting with identifying what the needs are, why those are important, all the way proceeding through to examining past improvement programs and what have made them successful. The summit is a great opportunity for you as an attendee, not only in the Creating a Superior Improvement Program track, but any track. And you're going to have an opportunity not only to attend these best practice sharing sessions, but also share what works best for you, to introduce yourself to the world and these other companies and network with them and let them get to know you and benchmark your programs against other companies or experts that you either want to model yourself after or even compete against. So the Creating a Superior Improvement Program track, my favorite track in the summit. If you are in that space, you know, we always are looking to improve and get better. This is your premier opportunity to do just that. Hope to see you there at this year's TapRooT Global Summit.